Today, I'm at my chicken run area again. I'm actually going to unbox another yummy food for my chickens and dogs. And this food is made of black flies. They're supposed to be really rich in protein, so they will help the chickens to grow their feathers better, and also they will help with the chickens' egg production. So let's go and see if my chickens and dogs will like this yummy food. This is what I got. It actually smells really good. Wow. Okay, Ali, do you want to try some first? Let's see if I can go for the chickens. Hey, you are not going to get it. Hey. Ali? No, we don't eat it. Ali? Looks like they all love this. Actually, you can use this for chickens, dogs, and birds, and lizards, and also fishes. Okay, that's all for your treats today. I'm going to feed some of this to the fishes. Let's go feed the fishes. Alright, that's all for today's premium chicken treat unboxing. As you can see, it's not only for chickens. Dogs love them, fishes love them, and even my crazy corgi loves them. She's doing a piggy dance. She loves it so much. Alright, if you would like to get some of this premium chicken treat for your lovely pets, please click on the link down below the video in the description box. I bet your pets will love this. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time. Bye. Are you so happy? Do you want mommy to get some more? You want mommy to get you some more? Ooh.